Nice little piece of bark here, man. Something with that. Might just leave it here for now. My truck's kind of loaded up, but I might save it. Do something with that. Shore up your lodge or something. Okay, man. As Quinny asked me about the woodlot, Canteen Cup Tuesday, whether I cook out or I don't know. I got work to do. I have to cut wood. I figured I'd check, see if any trees are down. We had some storm. So yeah, we got a tree down, so I got to clear this on the road. It's actually bigger than it looks in this video. But I got to clear this out because there's other woodcutters that have to get down there. But yeah, it's a pretty big tree. Fell from way up there. But it's a big tree. So yeah, we'll work on this, clear the road. That's the first thing we'll do. I have to cut wood, you know. Canteen Cup comes fine, but it's Tuesday. I'm hungry. I'm out here. Going to be out here. We'll see what happens. I have something in mind. But rain's going to come, so I'm going to clear this off the road. So a couple of woodcutters while we get down there. My son-in-law's place over there. Another guy down there. This is actually fell on my lot, so that's fine. I have 7/8 of my wood for the year I already have. It's all pretty much seasoned, ready to go. So I'll store this in back. I have a spot for it. But yeah, we'll get on with it. And got the truck mainly for the grandkids. Had a much bigger one before. So, but yeah, we'll do our thing here, man. But yeah, let me get going on this. Clean this up. So I'll get back to you. Okay, guys. Clean the Eskimo here. My little hooch here. Shelter. Alright. So, I don't know if you can see it, it's over here. Show it to you after. But never tried this hooch before. I just picked it up at a tag sale. Let me just turn the camera this stand, man. Anything to do with cameras and stand. You can see part of it. But get this dollar store. Burns nice and clean. Pretty good. Canteen Cup Tuesday. I cut a lot of wood. You see in the rest of the video. I'm putting a lot in there because I might actually have some Earl Grey tea. So, but I have 2 Canteen Cups. At the New England show, I picked up some more cups. A little uncomfortable here right now, but we're fine, man. So let's just start this up. She's going. Goes in here. That pouch. Let's give it a chance. Now, what I'm doing, I bought this. I guess you could put this over the coals. Put your stainless steel water bottle, canteen cup, whatever. I suppose you can turn it up and use it as a place to put fire, but there are holes in it. But I'm just going to put it over here. It's hot. At the woodlot. A little uneven, but not too bad. But I gotta read the directions here. I don't have my glasses with me, but oh, is that your glasses when you're woods? I do have woods. They're in a bag. 3 cups for hot water. It says add milk. I'm not adding milk. Let's go with this. Let's use this water in here. That'd be good enough for now. Should be about right. It's a quart canteen. But yeah. I put the shelter up here. Less than 5 minutes. Do I like all this timing business? No. Not at all. Totally turns me off. Whistle's blowing. Oh, you gotta put it, I gotta do that. Do you have to put a shelter up in 5 minutes? Yeah, probably. I have several times. Because I had to, it was raining. Muzzle loading hunting. Do I like someone blowing whistles and stuff? Oh, you gotta get, no. You get out, you do it, and you put it up. Next thing you know, you're putting it up in less than 5 minutes. Usually muzzle loading hunt, you want to keep your powder dry. I've done it several times through the years. This was totally impromptu, this here. No things on there, this crazy thing. I bought this at Goodwill. It's supposed to rain today out here, so I just wanted to see, you know, is it waterproof? I don't know. Will I make it waterproof? Probably. Is it one of my go-to things? No, but I'm starting to get a little obsessive here, and like, I grab any bag and it's ready to go for something. So, yeah. This went up in 5 minutes. Just grabbed some sticks for steaks. I had 36 bank line, which I carry in all my bags. Just threw it up. Tied some knots on there. I have some special clips, which I did not put on here, and on my equipment. Small ones, big ones. I've yet to do that. So, should you know how to do it? Yeah. Do you need someone blowing a whistle? Say you got to get in 5 minutes. You got to do 2 liters of water in 16 minutes. No, I've never done 2. Well, the only time I've done 2 liters of water is at winter camps. Big container, you got a fire going, you put it on there. And that's fine. Do you need someone blowing a whistle? No. Do you need to light a fire fast? Yeah. In an emergency, you're camping yourself, you want to get something to eat quick, it's raining, whatever. Put up a shelter, you light a fire. Yeah. In an emergency, someone has hypothermia, yeah, you do want to light a fire fast. Do you need someone blowing a whistle? You got it. I've done that in the military. I don't need that crap no more. Do I love it? Yeah, I like a lot of stuff. But would I unsubscribe or anything like that? Absolutely not. You learn from everybody. I've only unsubscribed from one well-known person in the world. They started pontificating. It had nothing to do with political leaders or anything like that. It did have something to do with kind of country type stuff. And they got me mad. Did I reply? Did I say, what about this? But no, I could have just said something just like that, and they would have shut up real fast. Did I unsubscribe? Yes. I don't need that. Did I get in an argument with them? No. No. But I don't care where the hell you're from. You know, I speak English, maybe, you know, speckled German, a couple Irish words here and there, little Spanish words here and there. Does it matter if a bushcrafter's from Oshkosh, Wisconsin, or Mumbai or anywhere? It doesn't matter to me. Or Stuttgart, or the Rem Valley. That doesn't matter to me. I watch them. I learn. I know, I know what they're trying to do, and they're showing me, or I'm going along for their little trip. That makes zero difference whatsoever whether they speak English or not. Doesn't make a difference at all. It's great, you know, that we're out here. We're doing this. Yeah, as you'll see in the video, I'm at my woodlot. My son-in-law's woodlot's over there. And my son's woodlot's up there. We're all connected. Big tree went down in my woodlot because of a storm. It was blocking the road, so other firewood cutters won't be able to get in. So that's what I focused on today. Didn't expect to, but we had a storm come through, so that's what I did. But yeah, I set this up. Set it up fast, you know. And again, I wasn't even ready for it. I didn't even put Prusik hitches on there. My little ties that I have here, I have to do that. This is not one of my main things, but I was hoping it would be raining. Right now it's supposed to rain because I want to test this out, see if it rains, or you see if it's waterproof. Picked it up at a Goodwill. But yeah, so today, this is what we're having. Okay. It's Maggi. It's not made in India. It's made in Guatemala. Mariscos. Zuppa crema de Mariscos. It's a creamy seafood soup mix. And I read the ingredients. There's a lot of different dried fish and all stuff in there. So it might be interesting. And I got some bread with me. I have some banana bread my wife made. And I have another Canteen cup. So when this is ready, I'll cook up some tea this time. And that'd be great. Quite frankly, I had some scones with lemon elderberry, like the cake they had at the wedding and stuff, and I did watch it, you know. But and I had some clotted cream. My wife took the last of the special scones, so I wasn't able to bring that. Yeah, would have been cool. Harry's an old soldier. I suppose I am too. But yeah, I'd sit down and have some pilchards and pita bread and some black currant preserves or jam. That'd be cool. But I'll have to do that sometime later. But yeah, so I'll wait till this cooks. Let's see here. It's cooking. Again, this is the first time using this stand. See how it goes. I don't know. See what it looks like. It's starting to make some noise. I'm going to shut this off for a second until we get things going here a little bit. But I'm pontificating myself here. But yeah, I made this. These are cool little things. Banging things down. But yeah, I got my bread and banana bread and another cup here picked up at from Hidden Woodsman. At the show. But yeah, man, it is Tuesday. I am at the woodlot and I am hungry. I can't make all these fancy things out here because I'm working. So oh yeah, we'll get that going and then we'll put more water and I'll have some tea after. So let me shut this off. I have to kind of reach over and shut this off.